So how to use templates in Reels, Instagram. So just tap to create new post, then you can just select Reel in the bottom. And then from here, if you select camera, if you go here, select Reel, and then here you have templates. So then you see here all the different templates. You just need to use your own media and just select the template. You will see the configuration, and depending on that, just add your own photos, videos, and then just your own songs, audio files, and then just you can customize it. And that's basically how it works. So Instagram is actively developing these features. There will be more and more templates, more categories which you can try on different occasions. And then just, so if you're just a bit lazy to create some reel yourself and edit it, just try out this feature.